Hello there and welcome to Linux S2O, and this video is about how you can use your phone camera, your smartphone's camera as a webcam in your computer. So for that we are going to use Droidcam. So simply open up the web browser and search for Droidcam. You should see a result by dev47apps.com. Simply click on it and it should open up the website. Now Droidcam is available for both of the smartphones operating systems, the most popular one, Android and Apple. So you can install the corresponding applications on the phone. I have an Android device, so I'm going to show you how I can install the application. So just open up the Play Store and search for Droidcam, and you should see the results. Simply install the application in your phone. For iPhone, use your App Store. So after installing the application in your phone, you can start to install the client for Linux as well. Simply click on the Linux icon and click on here the install button, and this should show you the installation guide. Now you will find all these commands in the description as well, so do not worry about that. So simply first of all you wanna cd to the temp folder. So I'm just going to copy the command from here and open up the terminal and execute the command one by one. Simply paste the command, hit the enter. So this has changed directly to the temp. Now paste another command. This will download the latest Droidcam application for Linux. It is a very small utility application, so it will not take much time. Now you simply copy the third command and paste over here. Now make sure you have unzip installed in the system. If you do not have, then simply use the installation command and install unzip. Hit enter again. This will unzip it, and now what we are going to do, we are going to install the application in the system. Paste another command. So this will change directly to Droidcam, and we are going to execute the install client script in that directory. So let me simply show you what it is going to do. So I'm going to cd the folder first. I'm going to show you the content of the folder. So this is the file that we need to execute. So simply execute it by typing sudo / and the file name install client. Hit enter and it's done. After that we have to install the video module. So type sudo / install and video. Hit enter again. So video module also installed in the system. If you want to have the sound from the mobile phone as well, then you can install the install sound script as well. So you can do that from here. And if you want to uninstall it, simply execute this script from here. So initially you just need to install the client and the video, because you only need the video input. For sound you can also execute this one. Now simply execute the Droidcam. So what you wanna do, you wanna open the application in your mobile phone. So this is the application. Click next. Again, I got it. Allow it. Now it should show something like this. So it is saying that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, your IP is this, and Droidcam port is this. So Droidcam provides you many options to connect your device to your system. So you can use your Wi-Fi, you can connect your computer and cell phone on the same Wi-Fi network, or you can simply plug in the USB cable and connect your device to your computer. So I'm going to use the Wi-Fi because both of my systems are connected to the same network. So my system is using the Ethernet, but they are on the same network, so it doesn't matter. So what you wanna do, you simply wanna open it, the application in your phone, and then open the Droidcam in your system. Simply type Droidcam, hit enter, and it should open up this window over here. Now this window should have the same IP as shown in your mobile phone. Now simply choose the connection format from here. Hit the connect now. Now it should open a window something like this in your mobile phone. So you can also toggle the camera, the front and back, and you can also toggle the flashlight if you want to. You can do that as well. Now if you want to use this webcam to any particular application, now you can use, for example, the cheese application that is installed in my system. So you can see this is the cheese, and here is my phone that is showing the output. So this is how you can use the Droidcam to use your phone's camera as input to your computer. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, hit the like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have anything in the comment section below, and I shall catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.